My name is Sharon Stein-Merkin. I am an epidemiologist and I'm a senior researcher here at the Gertner Institute, which is part of the Sheba Medical Center. So I grew up in Los Angeles, California. I studied my PhD at Johns Hopkins University, and then I spent about 20 years working at UCLA School of Medicine as a researcher and as a lecturer. And about 3.5 years ago, my family and I made Aliyah, and about 2.5 years ago, I joined Gertner and Sheba. I joined the Population Health Center, which is a center within Gertner, within Sheba. What was interesting for me moving to Israel is that there's universal healthcare coverage here. So a lot of the issues in the US, they're healthcare access issues, and theoretically that shouldn't be an issue here. And I was always struck by the fact that civic engagement in Israel is very high, and I was interested in looking at how that might affect health. And then the war started, and what I and a colleague, Liat Orenstein at Sheba, what we started doing is we started thinking, how can this volunteering efforts in Israel, maybe do they soften the effects, the health effects of trauma? So, and in the general Israeli population. And that's what we set out to do. We've just published our first paper, and we have a lot that we're interested in looking at. And we really think it could contribute not only to what we see in Israel, but to the health literature in general and to hopefully health policy. My message is I really hope we can disseminate science in an apolitical way that allows us to learn from unfortunate and fortunate situations, and allows us to move forward and help each other as a global community. Science is complicated, but I think can help us understand our world better.